Have you ever thought, I'd sell my house, but I don't want the repairs, the showings, the open houses, or the months of uncertainty? That's exactly where a cash offer option can make a lot of sense. Most homeowners think they only have one path. List the home, clean everything up, make repairs, keep the house show ready, wait for buyers, negotiate inspections, and hope the deal closes. And for some sellers, that is absolutely the right move. But for others, speed, convenience, certainty, and control matter more than squeezing out every possible dollar. That's where Express Offers comes in. Through eXp's Realty's Express Offers platform, we can help connect qualified homeowners with a network of vetted cash buyers who may be interested in purchasing the home as is. That means no repairs, no open houses, no weekend showings, no waiting around for a buyer's loan approval. And in many cases, you may be able to choose a closing timeline that works better for your situation. Now, let me be clear, a cash offer is not always the highest possible price. If your home is in great condition, you have time, and your top priority is maximum market value, then a traditional listing may still be your best option. But if your home needs work, you inherited a property, you're relocating, you're dealing with a stressful life change, or you simply want a cleaner and faster sale, it's worth exploring. The best part is, you don't have to guess. You can look at both options side by side. What your home might sell for traditionally versus what kind of cash offer opportunities may be available through Express Offers. Then you can make an informed decision based on your goals and target timeline. So before you spend money fixing up the house or commit to the traditional listing process, let's see what options are available. Click the link below, send me a message, or reach out directly, and let's find out whether a fast cash offer makes sense for your home.